What if I told you that something as small as a single spoonful of chia seeds at night could transform your sleep, support healthy weight loss, stabilize your blood sugar, improve digestion, and even strengthen your heart? It sounds simple, but this tiny seed packs powerful, science-backed health benefits that work while you sleep. In this video, we'll explore what happens when you eat chia seeds at night for just 1 week. We'll cover 12 key benefits, how to take them the right way, the ideal dosage, and important safety tips, all explained with clarity, just like a doctor would. By the end, you'll understand exactly why this small nightly habit can make such a big difference in your health. So let's get started with the first benefit, and you may be surprised how much impact this humble seed can have on your body overnight. Benefit number 1, improve sleep quality. Chia seeds contain 2 key nutrients that play a vital role in promoting restful sleep: tryptophan and magnesium. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that the body converts into serotonin and melatonin, the 2 hormones that regulate mood and the sleep-wake cycle. By supporting your body's natural production of these hormones, chia seeds can help you fall asleep more easily and experience deeper, more restorative rest. Magnesium complements this by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body and prepares it for sleep. It also helps regulate melatonin production, further stabilizing your sleep rhythm. Additionally, the high fiber content in chia seeds helps stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, preventing the spikes and drops that often cause restlessness or waking up in the middle of the night. A small serving of soaked chia seeds before bed can create the perfect internal environment for sustained, high-quality sleep, helping you wake up refreshed and energized. Benefit number 2, supports weight loss. Chia seeds are remarkably effective for appetite control and metabolic support, 2 crucial factors in sustainable weight loss. The secret lies in their soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in your stomach. This slows digestion, promotes fullness, and naturally reduces overall calorie intake without the feeling of restriction. A systematic review published in 2024 found that consuming around 30 grams of chia seeds daily over 6 months led to measurable reductions in weight and waist circumference among overweight individuals. Beyond fiber, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve metabolic health and enhance fat oxidation. Taking chia seeds in the evening may also help curb late-night snacking, one of the most common barriers to weight management. By feeling fuller for longer and supporting a more stable metabolism overnight, this simple habit can contribute to gradual, sustainable weight reduction over time. Benefit number 3, regulates blood sugar overnight. One of chia seeds' most valuable effects is their ability to moderate blood sugar levels while you sleep. The high soluble fiber content forms a gel in your digestive system, slowing the absorption of carbohydrates and resulting in a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden nighttime spikes or drops in blood sugar, which can cause energy fluctuations, irritability, or interrupted sleep. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that research has linked to improved insulin sensitivity. This means your body can manage blood sugar more effectively, reducing the risk of insulin resistance over time. For people with prediabetes, diabetes, or unstable blood sugar, this is especially beneficial. Incorporating a small serving of chia seeds before bed offers a natural way to support stable blood sugar levels through the night, complementing a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Benefit number 4, improves digestion and gut health. Chia seeds are exceptional for digestive health due to their fiber and phytonutrient profile. When soaked, their soluble fiber absorbs water and expands, forming a soothing gel in the digestive tract. This helps soften stool and promotes regular bowel movements, making mornings more comfortable and reducing constipation. Beyond fiber, chia seeds contain phenolic compounds, powerful antioxidants that reduce intestinal inflammation and support the integrity of the gut lining. A healthy gut lining plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption and preventing toxins or pathogens from entering the bloodstream. Additionally, their omega-3 fatty acids help balance gut microbiota, promoting beneficial bacteria and reducing inflammatory markers in the gut. Regular nighttime consumption provides your body with a gentle but effective way to support digestion and gut healing while you sleep, making this a smart addition to your evening routine. Benefit number 5. Boosts heart health. Chia seeds are incredibly beneficial for cardiovascular health, primarily due to their content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, and their high soluble fiber levels. ALA has been shown to reduce systemic inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, and support healthy endothelial function, which is essential for optimal blood flow. Soluble fiber plays a complementary role by binding to bile acids in the intestines. This process encourages the liver to use circulating cholesterol to produce more bile acids, thereby lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and improving overall lipid profiles. A 2024 study in the Journal of Food Biochemistry found that daily chia seed supplementation significantly decreased total cholesterol and triglyceride levels, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good kind. Taking chia seeds at night can give your body these cardioprotective compounds during its natural repair cycle, supporting blood vessel flexibility and heart function. Over time, this can contribute to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, making it a simple yet powerful habit for long-term heart health. Benefit number 6. Enhances hydration overnight. One of chia seeds' most unique characteristics is their hydrophilic nature. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When soaked, chia seeds form a thick gel that not only supports digestion but also gradually releases water as it moves through the digestive system. Consuming chia seeds before bed can help maintain hydration levels throughout the night, which is especially valuable if you live in a warm climate, exercise regularly, or tend to wake up feeling dehydrated. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which help regulate fluid balance at the cellular level. This combination of water retention and electrolyte support ensures that your body stays hydrated more efficiently, even as you sleep. Good overnight hydration supports cellular function, circulation, and detoxification processes. By incorporating soaked chia seeds into your evening routine, you provide your body with a steady hydration source that works quietly and effectively overnight. Benefit number 7. Reduces inflammation and detoxifies. Chronic inflammation is a silent factor behind many health issues, including joint pain, fatigue, skin problems, and metabolic disorders. Chia seeds offer a natural, nutrient-rich way to combat inflammation while supporting detoxification. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to lower levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a key inflammatory marker. Additionally, chia seeds contain powerful antioxidants such as caffeic acid and chlorogenic acid, which neutralize free radicals and protect cells from oxidative stress. On the detoxification side, chia's soluble fiber forms a gel in the gut that can bind to certain toxins and metabolic waste, assisting in their elimination through regular bowel movements. A 2024 study found that milled chia seeds can absorb common food contaminants like ochratoxin A, reducing their presence in the digestive system. By consuming chia seeds at night, you give your body anti-inflammatory and detoxifying compounds right when it enters its natural repair and cleansing phase, promoting clearer skin, less bloating, and overall vitality. Benefit number 8. Strengthens bones. As we age, maintaining bone strength becomes increasingly important. Chia seeds provide an impressive array of bone-supporting nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and ALA. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain more calcium than many dairy products, along with magnesium, which plays a key role in bone mineralization, and phosphorus, a major structural component of bone tissue. Beyond minerals, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have been shown to support bone metabolism and reduce inflammation that can contribute to bone loss. A study published in Nutrients in 2018 found that long-term chia seed intake increased bone mineral content in animal models, indicating potential protective effects on bone density. By taking chia seeds before bed, you provide your body with a steady supply of these essential nutrients during sleep, when bone remodeling and repair naturally occur. Over time, this can support stronger bones, better posture, and reduced risk of osteoporosis. Benefit number 9, reduces acid reflux. Nighttime acid reflux can be extremely uncomfortable, often disrupting sleep and causing irritation of the esophagus. Chia seeds can offer natural relief thanks to their high mucilage content, a type of soluble fiber that forms a thick gel when hydrated. This gel acts as a protective barrier in the stomach, potentially reducing irritation to the esophageal lining and minimizing acid backflow. A 2018 study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that fiber-enriched diets increased lower esophageal sphincter resting pressure and reduced reflux episodes in individuals with non-erosive reflux disease. Incorporating soaked chia seeds before bed may provide a gentle, natural way to manage reflux symptoms without harsh medications. The fiber also aids digestion and promotes regularity, indirectly reducing pressure in the abdomen that can worsen reflux. For many, this simple habit can mean fewer sleepless nights and more comfort. Benefit number 10, strengthens immunity. During the night, your body naturally enters repair and regeneration mode, making it the ideal time to support immune function. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, including tocopherols, phytosterols, and polyphenolic compounds, which help combat oxidative stress and protect immune cells from damage. They also provide key minerals such as zinc and magnesium, both essential for the proper functioning of immune defenses. Zinc plays a direct role in the development and activation of white blood cells, while magnesium supports hundreds of enzymatic reactions involved in immune regulation. Additionally, chia seeds' anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids help keep the immune system balanced, strong enough to fight threats, but not overactive. A 2022 study in antioxidants found that chia protein hydrolysates can modulate immune function by reducing pro-inflammatory markers and enhancing beneficial cytokines. Consuming chia seeds at night provides your body with these immune-supportive compounds during its most restorative hours, helping you build resilience against infections, reduce inflammation, and recover more effectively. Benefit number 11, improves sexual health. Sexual health is closely tied to hormonal balance, circulation, and nutrient availability. Chia seeds offer natural support in all three areas. They are rich in zinc, which plays a critical role in testosterone production, a key hormone for libido and reproductive health in both men and women. Magnesium, another abundant mineral in chia, aids in muscle relaxation and supports healthy blood flow, which is essential for sexual function. The antioxidants in chia seeds help protect reproductive cells from oxidative stress, which can damage sperm and egg quality over time. A 2023 study in the Yale Journal of Biology and Medicine found that chia seed supplementation improved sperm quality and reduced oxidative damage in male reproductive tissues in animal models, highlighting its protective potential. By consuming chia seeds at night, you supply your body with these nutrients during the hormonal regulation window of sleep, which may support better libido, improved performance, and overall reproductive health over time. Benefit number 12, potential cancer prevention. Cancer risk is influenced by chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular damage, all areas where chia seeds offer valuable support. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, and antioxidants such as quercetin and camphorol. These compounds work synergistically to reduce inflammation, neutralize free radicals, and support the body's natural defense mechanisms against abnormal cell growth. A 2024 study published in the Bulletin of the National Research Center highlighted chia seeds' potential to suppress tumor growth and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. The study also found that chia seed extracts reduce the expression of genes commonly overactive in cancer progression. Fiber plays a crucial role by supporting healthy digestion and regular elimination, which helps prevent the accumulation of carcinogenic compounds in the gut. By consuming chia seeds at night, you provide your body with protective nutrients during its cellular repair cycle, supporting long-term health and potentially lowering cancer risk as part of a balanced lifestyle. How to take chia seeds at night? To maximize their benefits, chia seeds should always be soaked before consumption, allowing them to absorb water and form their characteristic gel. This improves digestibility and nutrient absorption while preventing any risk of choking. There are several easy ways to incorporate them into your nighttime routine. Chia water. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water, stir well, and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it thickens. Drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bed for hydration, digestion, and blood sugar support. Chia tea. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to a calming herbal tea, such as chamomile or peppermint. Let it steep for 10 minutes and enjoy as a soothing pre-sleep drink. Smoothies or yogurt. Stir 1 to 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds into a bedtime smoothie or yogurt for added fiber and antioxidants. Choose the method that fits your lifestyle best, and make it a consistent part of your evening routine for optimal results. Dosage, safety, and precautions. While chia seeds are generally safe for most people, proper dosage and hydration are key. The recommended intake is 1 to 2 tablespoons, 10 to 30 grams, per night. Exceeding this amount, especially without adequate water, may cause bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort due to their high fiber content. Always soak chia seeds thoroughly and drink plenty of water with them to support smooth digestion. If you are taking blood pressure or blood sugar medications, consult your healthcare provider before regular use, as chia's natural effects on these systems may interact with medication. Individuals with swallowing difficulties should be cautious and ensure seeds are fully gelled before consuming. Pregnant and breastfeeding women can typically consume chia seeds in moderate amounts, but should consult their doctor for personalized guidance. Remember, chia seeds are a powerful addition to a healthy routine, not a cure-all. Consistency, moderation, and a balanced diet are key to experiencing their full range of benefits. As you've seen, adding chia seeds to your nighttime routine is a simple yet powerful way to support your health naturally. From improving sleep, balancing blood sugar, aiding weight loss, and enhancing digestion, to supporting your heart, bones, immunity, and even sexual health, this tiny seed truly works overtime while you rest. Start with just 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds each night and observe how your body responds over the coming weeks. For many, the difference is noticeable in just 7 days. If you found this information helpful, share it with someone who could benefit, and let me know in the comments if you've tried chia seeds at night. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more evidence-based health guidance, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Wishing you better sleep, better health, and a stronger body, naturally.